Now take your seat. Okay, class, but before we will go to our activities, is first, let's just first read our rules. Because we have the rules in this class that we have to follow. Okay. First rule is, please read
Rules.
this one.
Listen, participate, silent, cooperate, enjoy.
First is listen, participate, silent, cooperate, and enjoy. First is listen. When your classmates are saying everything or they are answering some of my question, you have to listen. Again, you have to
listen.
And if there's some activities that you have to perform, all you have to do is to participate. Again, what you need to do?
Participate.
Okay, very good. And again and again, avoid unnecessary noisy. All you have to do is silent.
Silent.
Okay, very good. And for your group or for your activity, you have to
Cooperate.
again.
Cooperate.
Very good. And most of all, enjoy the activity. That okay?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, class. Are you familiar with the activity of fair, watch, and say?
No, ma'am.
On this activity, all you have to do is watch a video. First is I will be grouping you into two groups, and after that, you will be watching the videos, and all you in that videos watch it carefully because all things that you can see in the videos with your partner, you have to go in front of here and say everything or describe everything. What did you see in that video? Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
But first, I will be grouping you. Count yourself into 1 to 2.
1, 2. 1, 2.
Okay, now go to your group. Here is the group 1 and the group 2 is there. Go there. I have here a card, which is this card is all you have to do is write everything that what you observed on that video. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here's the group 1. Group 2. You can put your chair. Well, stand up first. And then come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, now let's begin with to watch that videos.
Infobells.
Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do. Sing with me! Father, mother, brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother too. We all live and help one another, as all loving families do.
So now, like what I said a while ago, after you watching those videos, is you will write here everything that what you see in that videos. I will be giving you a 5 minutes to finish your task, and after that, you will go here and represent or say or read everything that what you will write in your card. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, the 5 minutes start now.
Grandmother and mother are cooking. Yes. Baby, grandmother. What more? Mother. Another thing is grandmother.
Okay, class, finalize your answer because you only have 10 seconds. In 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up your paper. Okay. So now, who will be the first first pair to represent here? Okay, very good. Okay, now proceed in front.
Father, mother. Baby, mother, sister.
Okay, very good. Now you may take your seat. Okay, how about the group 2?
Grandmother and mother are cooking. Father helping grandfather's gardening.
Very good.
Grandmother
Okay, thank you very much. Now you may take your seats. What a brilliant students you are. Okay, the first group who got the highest score of 90 over 20 is the group 2. Come here, group 2. Get your prize. Okay, now take your seat. For the second runner-up who got the 18 over 20 is the group 1. Come here, group 1. Get your prize. Okay, take your seat. Okay, now class, thank you very much. Huwag niyo na sila. Okay, class. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, Ma'am.
Okay. How about the group 2? Group 1 rather. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, stand up. Face here.
Mother, father, brother, sister, I love you, my family.
Okay, sing it in 1, 2, 3, go.
Mother, father.